26 end behavior. Here's a quick review. I made up a dumb little chart thing that you guys might find helpful. Do you guys remember that guy?
Yeah.
So I'm going to put an X, Y thing in every single one of those. And then I'm going to do this kind of thing. Oh, it's kind of sloppy looking. You be quiet. All right, so I got odd and even. Those have to do with, do you guys remember? Degree. And then I have a positive and a negative. That has to do with leading coefficient. Okay? So if we're odd and positive, that means our end behavior is going to be down then up. If we're odd then negative, then we're going to flip that. So it's going to be up then down. Even goes in the same direction. Think about, so like when I think about odd, I think about x cubed. Most people remember what x cubed looks like. It looks like that. See how it's odd? When it's odd, we point down then up. If I throw a negative on this, it flips it like this. I remember the N, okay? It kind of looks like an N, all right? Now for even, I always remember x cubed or x squared. And everybody knows what x squared looks like. You see how it goes up, up? Same direction. And if I put a negative on it, it's going to go down, down, down. All right? So this one's going to be up, up. This one's going to be down, down. And so now let's go for it. For this one, it's odd because we have a 3 right there. And the leading coefficient, that means the number right in front of it is a 1. So it's a positive. So this is going to be your end behavior. Now to describe it, for letter A, you could say down, up. Or you guys can be more mathematical, and you could say on the left side of the graph, this means left, y or f of x is approaching negative infinity. That means down.
So on the test, would we have to write it like that?
Well, it's multiple choice. So if you can't read it, then I suppose you can't know how to do it. Okay, and the right side of the graph would be positive infinity. This is right. This means right. And then f of x is going up. So we're going to say we're approaching positive infinity. Now for every end behavior, you're always going to have these. You're going to have one x approaches negative infinity and one x approaches positive infinity, because you have to talk about both sides of the graph all the time. These are what can change over here. Okay, whether this is negative infinity or positive infinity, and this could be negative or positive infinity.